Good Wednesday morning, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on weather-wise around the area this morning. 57 degrees to start the day off at the Mid-Carolina Airport in Salisbury. Also 57 here at the Weather Center in Atwell. Up in the mountains, you're looking at Jefferson coming in as the cool spot on the map at 48 degrees. Boone coming in at 50. And you can see that blue line going down the screen just to the left of those temperatures is a front that's passing through that will bring us some windy conditions again today. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. Temperatures, as far as the warm spots on the map, there are several locations with 61 degrees coming in this morning to start the day off. So kind of a mild start to the morning for a lot of folks. As we take a look at the bigger picture, our focus goes toward this front that's moving through the central part of the country into the Ohio Valley and Mid-South areas. We're going to continue to watch that as it moves through during the day today, and it will arrive and move through our area during the overnight hours tonight. And it could bring us the potential for severe weather. But taking a look at what the Storms Prediction Center is showing, the more favorable spot for the severe weather is actually to our west, with the mountains and foothills seeing some elevated risk out there. And then, of course, we've got a marginal risk for severe weather here in Rowan County in that darker shade of green, and then off toward the mountains, or excuse me, toward the coast there, you see they're under a general thunderstorm risk. I do want to show you one quick thing here. So this is, of course, today, and we'll take a look really quickly at what tomorrow is showing. And you see, as we go into the day on Thursday, we've got a general thunderstorm risk. That's going to be mainly for the early morning hours, as all this rain will shift off to the east. And you can see that they've got a marginal risk just to our east, basically east of the Asheboro area toward Raleigh. And then once you get east of Raleigh, a slight risk for severe weather on Thursday. So we'll continue to keep an eye on it. But as of right now, it looks like this system will move through pretty quickly. It will bring us the potential for damaging winds, frequent lightning. Of course, a localized flooding potential is there because of all the rain we got yesterday on top of the rain we could see tonight, which will certainly not be as much rain as we saw yesterday, as the system looks like it's going to zip through here pretty quickly. We could pick up about 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little more if you get an isolated shower or thunderstorm that does pass over your area. We'll continue to keep an eye on that. And then the other threat would be a low risk for isolated tornadoes, but that is a very, very low risk at this point for us as we go through the overnight hours. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the model data is showing here real quickly, and we'll get everything set up for that to be able to show you what we've got going on here. And this is going to be starting at 4 p.m. this after, excuse me, 4 a.m. on Thursday morning. And here's Rowan County right here, just to give you some context, right where I've got this pointer at. And you can see we've got some showers and storms maybe starting to make their way into the areas or into the county as we go to 7 a.m. You see things are still going on, but pretty much isolated and broken up. And then as we get to 8 a.m., you see a line of showers really starting to move off to the east of the county. And that will continue as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. As we get to 4 p.m., all that activity is pretty much off toward the Outer Banks and the coastal plains. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that and keep you updated. Let's go ahead and take a quick break. We're going to get a word from our friends at Patterson Farm. We'll come back. We'll give you the pollen outlook and more. All that's coming up right after this. Weather impacts for today, we'll see partly sunny skies during the day. Winds will be out of the southwest at around 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts as high as 20 miles an hour. That'll be during the morning hours. As we head into the afternoon hours, we'll see increasing cloudiness moving through the afternoon and evening hours. Winds will transition out of the south at around 10 miles an hour with gusts as high as 20 miles an hour. And then we'll see a chance for showers and thunderstorms during the overnight hours into Thursday morning. Some could be strong to severe. The main threats are damaging winds, frequent lightning, localized flooding, and a low risk for an isolated tornado. The pollen outlook sponsored by Good Nights Lawn Care. These guys take care of my lawn, and I love it. They offer services like mowing, trimming, seeding, mulch, pine straw, and more. For more information on services provided, give them a call, 980-521-1937. Main pollen drivers continue to be oak, juniper, and elm. And you can see we've got extreme levels of pollen today. Unfortunately, with all that rain we got yesterday, that causes those pollen levels to rebound quickly. We'll see high levels on Thursday thanks to some overnight showers and storms that'll move through, and some early morning showers and storms on Thursday that'll give us a little bit of relief. And then we get back to the extreme levels for Friday, and a little bit of relief over the weekend thanks to some cooler temperatures. We'll drop back down to some high levels of pollen for the weekend. The mowing forecast looking pretty good overall. We've got a green light for today. As long as your yard's not too soaked, you should be able to get out there and get it done. Thursday, we've got that yellow light mainly for the rain chances during the morning hours, but we should start to dry out as we head to the afternoon hours. And then for Friday, the green light's back out again with dry conditions on Friday. The mosquito forecast continues to show low levels of activity right through the weekend. And then the forecast itself, sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you notice they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County Weather. They'll give you $25 off your first time service call. We'll see partly sunny skies today, high of 79, increasing cloudiness as we head through the afternoon and evening hours with a low of 59. Chance for showers and thunderstorms overnight into Thursday morning. Some could be strong to severe. We'll continue to keep you updated on that. 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms for the morning hours on Thursday, high of 71. Partly cloudy skies Thursday evening with a low of 43. On Friday, we'll see partly sunny skies with a high of 61, partly cloudy skies Friday evening with a low of 37. There's a 20% chance of an isolated afternoon shower possible on Friday, but you got a better chance of staying dry at this point. Saturday, we'll see partly sunny skies with a high of only 56 degrees, partly cloudy skies Saturday evening with a low of 34. Sunday, we'll see sunny skies with a high of 62, clear skies Sunday evening with a low of 38. Perfect conditions for the Charlotte FC matchup against Atlanta United coming up this Sunday at Bank of America Stadium, 1:30 p.m. for the first kick for that matchup. You can check it out on television locally here at WSOC TV Channel 9. You can also listen to it on the radio. It's going to be on, I think, WBT AM this weekend because of the Hornets game being moved up. Willie Pawalczyk and Jessica Charman will be calling it there. Then, of course, you can also watch it on the Charlotte FC app if you don't have the ability to get it on television or you're traveling or something like that. Partly sunny skies on Monday with a high of 75. Partly cloudy skies Monday evening with a low of 48. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television, WSRG TV in Salisbury. It's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Wednesday. As always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather.